Hello everyone. Welcome to this course on Essential of Object-Oriented Design and Programming. In this presentation, we are going to discuss algorithm. So the algorithm has many inbuilt functions. We are going to discuss few important functions. For example, find, count, sort, search, merge, for each, and transform. We will discuss one by one with an example. So first we'll start with algorithm. So the algorithm perform operation on data which is stored in the container. This algorithm is available in the header file is algorithm. So what are the advantage of STL algorithm? Reduces coding effort, saves development time, efficient and optimized implementations. It will improve the code readability and reusable and reliable. We'll start with one by one. So first start with the find functions. It will return the iterator pointing to the first occurrence of the specified value in the given data ranges. For example, vector v is this collection of the data. So now here the iterator, it is creating the reference. So now here we are going to use the for loop. We are going to print the vector's value. For example, v is I. So now it will show the content of the vector. For example, 10, 20, 30, 40, then 30. So now we are going to search some element, right? So we can give any input. For example, I am giving 30 in the variable. So for example, yes here. So now find is the inbuilt function. We are giving the three parameter here. First one is begin. Then then till we are going to search n. Then mention the searching element. Already the searching element is 30. So now I mentioned the variable name here. So now it will return the position here. Then you are going to verify whether it is end or not. It is not end, right? So now automatically it will print the message like element, the search element is 30, right? Element 30 found at the position. So what is the position? What is the position of the 30 here? 2, right? 0, 1 and 2. So it will display like that. The next function count. It will find the number of occurrence of the element in the given range. For example, the vector is collection of some of the element. So we are going to count, start from beginning, then till end. What is the reference value here? 2. So number of time the 2 is occurs. See, 1, 2 and 3. So 3 times it is occurs, right? So the result is finally the result is 3 here. And next one is the sort functions. Sort the element in the container or array. By default, it is the ascending order. For example, it is the array that is the collection of element. So here we are finding the that is n value equal size of the array divided by size of the that is AR of 0. So then it will find the n value. So what is the sort here? So sort is the inbuilt function. First argument is the array variable, then array plus n. So now automatically it will sort in the ascending order. With the help of the for loop, we can display the content of the array here. See, it is showing in the ascending order. And next one is the, if you want to show the descending order, one small difference. So here additionally we are adding that parameter. For example, ARR, then similarly AR plus 1, sorry, n, comma, the greater than int, this function. If you are calling this function, it will show in the descending order. And next one is the search functions. It performs searches for a given sequence in the given ranges. For example, vector v1, it has some of the value. Vector v2, it has some other value. So next, we are creating the one reference, the iterator. So now we are going to start from begin. That is search is an inbuilt function. The first parameter start from begin. We are going to search n in the first vector. Then second vector begin and end. Now we are going to verify the second vector content is present in the first vector content. If it is present, find the positions. So now what is the position 3, 4, 5? It is start from where? The first vector 0, 1 and 2. So here it is starting, right? So now it will display 2. And next algorithm, that is one of the function merge. It will merge two sorted container into single sorted container. So for example, vector. So here vector, the variable is got some other value. Vector 2 has some other value. Then we are creating the third vectors. So 2 vector and here is the third vector, empty vector. So now first vector is we are sorting. Similarly, the second vector also we are sorting in the proper order. Then after sorting, so we are calling the merge functions. So here first that is the ARR1 dot begin, then ARR to n. Similarly, the second vector, right? The second vector dot begin, second vector dot n. After merging first vector and second vector, the result stored in where? That is the ARR3 dot begin. So here we are storing. So now we are going to display ARR3 dot size. We are going to search one by one, then we are going to display. So now the content of first vector merge with the content of second vector, the result stored in the third vector. Now it is to display like that. And next one is a for each. It will apply a specified function to every element the given range. For example, so we are writing some other function. So here a parameter, then we are going to display the content of the x value here. So now here the array is collection of the element. We are calling the for each functions. So here they are giving the 3 parameter. First one is the array name. So array plus 5 mean, so that is the ending name, right? Starting and the ending we need. That is the ending position. Then we are mention the function name. Here is print. So when the statement is executed, the control is automatically move to here, then it will print the x value. So what are the content inside the array that will be print, right? 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. And next one is the transform. It will apply the operation to each element of the container and store the result in another container or in the same container itself. So for example, here is a double and here is the array name. It is collection of some values. And next one is the that is the empty array. Double, there's empty 5 is on empty array. Then is the one of the prototype function prototype declaration. So here we are calling the transform. So first parameter, the first array name, comma, we are going to search till end, right? That is inches plus 5. Mean it will search till end, then mention the function name. So here the same function is define the outside here. So see, so where we are getting some of the input is multiplied with 2.54. It means that is the centimeter, here the inches is converted into centimeter. This is a formula. So we get the input from array, okay, and apply 2.54 for each element, and then it will convert into centimeter. Then return mean automatically control is come to here, then it will display the values. So what is the concept here? We are going to apply some of the formula or some of the modification each element in the array. So then it will be reflect, then we can display. So now 3.5 into 2.54, then it will reflect. Then 6.2 into 2.54, then it will reflect like that. So the value it is affected each element in this array, then it will display here. Thank you.